Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of number with step attributes. So let's quickly show each other how this works. Step specifies the legal number intervals for an input field. So the following example displays a numeric input field where you can enter a value from 0 to 100 in steps of 10. The default value is 30. You can see all this. So I'm going to explain how everything works quickly so you can understand. I don't want this thing to look rough to you guys. I don't want you guys to get confused. So let's quickly get going and do it. So to treat this in an easy way, firstly, I hope you guys understand about some of the input types we have been using so far. We have discussed about max input, min input, min max input, number input, month input, and so on and so forth. We have even discussed about password input and even reset input, submit input, and so on. You can check our HTML form playlist and our HTML input type playlist to be able to follow along. So quickly, let's create another input and give it steps so you can be able to understand what is steps. So let's give this number step. Let's give it number step input. And now let's break our document and give it after the number step input, let's give it an input. Input type of number is what we are talking about. Don't you forget about this. Is when we want to send something to the server, we really need it the most. So we can firstly omit it for now. Let's use our step here immediately and give it true. Let's save our document. Let's break this so our document can look neat. Let's give it ×2 and save it. Let's reload our document. Now we are having number step input, right? Now the benefit of using this number step is that it's counting. So when we specify, if you notice right here, we specify step 3, step 2 right here. So if you start counting here using this thing, our step will start from 2 and it now count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so forth. Let's start. Can you see? The first thing that will firstly appear is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on and so forth. As you can see, it's counting using 2. It's counting, and even if we want to decrease auto, it will count by 2, -2, -4, -6, and so on and so forth. Let's say for instance now we change it to 3 so you can understand what I'm talking about clearly. Let's reload our document. Let's do step. Can you see 9? When you come back, it will be 12. Let's calm down. Can you see? It is counting 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. As you can see, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is the main fact about it. It's counting plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So let's say we say it's jump by 50. So 50 plus 50, that will be 100, right? Let's reload first. So let's reload. Can you see? 50 plus 50, 100 plus 100, 150 plus. Can you see? That is the benefit of using steps, and you can specify the default and you can use it anyhow you want. Let's use it with what we have learned so far. Let's say from our previous tutorial we have discussed about the main. Let's give it minimum of 10, and let's use max also because we have discussed about them. Let's use max minimum of 70. You will see what will happen. And now we said 50, right? Now it will never go beyond that. Let's reload our document. let's reset. So let's try to start. Can you see it start from where? From 10. So let's, because we don't need this one. No, we don't need this one. We don't need this one. So let's reset. Let's start counting. If you notice very well, we specify 50 right here, right? And we said the minimum should be 10 and 70. We specify minimum and maximum. So I will show you something very funny. Can you, this is 10, right? 60 automatically. It add up, it will begin from 10. Let's say we didn't specify anything, it will begin from 0 and it will count 50. But because we specified the min, which is minimum, must begin from 10. So that's why it's firstly counted to 10. It starts from 10. So from that 10 it will raise up to 60, and you never beyond that. When we click it, it will never go beyond that. And when we come back again, it will come down to 10. So because that's what we specify, and we can do it with more things also. There are some things we haven't discussed about, and we have discussed about value also. You can give it a default value. When you give it a default value, let's say we give it default value of 30. Definitely, if we reset this our document, let's say we reset our document like this, the first thing people will see is the 30 value. So because we have already set restriction to this now, when people start to count now, you will see what will happen. It will go from 30 to what? From 30 to 60, right? And they never go beyond. Can you see? Can you see? The one you are seeing the first thing you are seeing right here is just like illusion, because our document will count from 10, because we have already specified the min and max. But let's say for instance now, I want it to be straightforward. Let's just say from, we don't put min and max, we can just put 0, from 0 to 100, so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about very well. Let's just put this value as 0 so you can understand it clearly. Or let's give it 1. No, don't let us let's give it 1 so you can see what I'm talking about. From minimum, the minimum is the value that we are going to display in our page, so that they can see what we are trying to discuss about. Can you see we are having this minimum, right? So now let's count. Can you see 51? It will never go beyond that, because let's now give this one 101. Then you will be able to see more values. Can you see we are able to see 101? But if we start from 0, because computer start from 0, I hope you can understand. This thing I'm saying to you guys, you should be able to understand. As you can see, from 1, we begin from 1, we count 50 plus another 50, making what? 101. So that is it. We begin from 1, we count 50 plus another 50, you understand, making 101. So that is how the algorithm works. That is the step algorithm for you. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.